Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim with the Tremor off-road package, powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and the Tremor off-road package, which comes with some nice upgrades such as larger General Grabber all-terrain tires, off-road tuned front and rear suspension with Fox shocks, some grippy hoop steps so you can avoid falling off and have an easier time getting in. And coming in the new Cyber Orange exterior color for Ford, which is very bright, and you have some tow hooks on the rear bumper there. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, where you have seating for three comfortably with a nice leather and suede interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders. You also have a manually sliding rear window, and down here you have two USBs with a 110-volt power outlet, and the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. And looking inside, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology and your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy, and then all of it together. You can also look at your fuel economy separately, your truck info such as off-road status, power distribution, and then you have your driver assistance features, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and then back to the top. But then you do have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock there. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen, another part of the Tremor package is 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please. Then moving down from your screen, you have your hazards, and then your media controls and your physical climate controls here, again with dual zone front climate. Then you have two 12-volt power outlets here, as well as two USBs, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. And then looking at some of your controls here, such as your trail control mode, which is for the off-road package as well. It's kind of just like cruise control for off-road conditions, which is pretty nice. You have your auto start stop shut off, your locking rear differential, tow haul mode, park assist sensor shut off, and traction control shut off. Then here you have your 4x4 selector with your terrain management button here in the center for normal, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, and sand. So you have some customizability there for at least what terrain you're driving on. And then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious inside. And then just showing one last look of the interior with the Tremor package, you do get these nice Tremor branded seats, especially with the suede in there, very comfortable, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.